Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Long time no see. We have here really hot weather right now. Every day almost 31-32 degrees, and I decided to make a little holiday, and then there was a busy time with work. So now I have taken P4 in the main room on my workshop. Today we lift the car up, I show some things, and we start removing interior, seats, carpet and that kind of stuff. But why, I will show you soon. Yeah, the engine looks the same like last time we worked there. Nothing new, but okay, I want to work with this body right now. Take the interior out, remove the axles and put the car on body rotator. Then we can work with undercar. Okay, question was why I want to remove the carpet, and that's a really easy reason. There is one thing you don't know, that this car is actually front wheel drive. Yeah, you heard right, it's a front wheel drive car. But don't worry, I don't make VR6 front wheel drive swap. No. All P4 Audis what are manufactured before June 93, they have rear Quattro rear axle mounts. So you find bolt places, clean it and bolt the Quattro rear axle. And then it's almost ready. There is one thing you need to find from Quattro body. I did remove it from my old donor car and will show you. So for Quattro swap you need to have this body panel. It's rear differential front mount. Here goes this bracket. I drilled it off the body and need to weld this on this car, and then it's almost Quattro. The second one what you need to have are this cardan fixing plates. These are not so good shape, so I make new ones. And then you have all what you need for Quattro swap. Okay, let's go under the car and I show you that it's front wheel drive. So yeah, like you see, there is no rear differential and nothing, it's front wheel drive. And when we go under the car, you see here is this silicone. Here is one rear axle bolt where goes. There is silicone because dust don't go in then. And yeah, nothing too hard. And now I think many viewers are thinking, what the hell are you doing, man? Why don't buy Quattro? Because you don't find in this good shape Quattro, or you need to pay a lot of money. This car I did buy for 500 euros, and it's in mint condition underneath. And the only thing I need to do is need to weld those plates, and I can add my Quattro axles here, and it's ready. So yeah, and I think it's nice content. Maybe someone else want to make her front wheel drive car also Quattro, so he can look my videos and see how I make that. Let's start removing seats, and let's see how far we can get with this. Like you saw, seats are out, carpet is out, and the floor is like new. It's like yesterday came from factory. I really like it. It's a good car to build project car. And in next video I think we clean the under the car, remove the fuel tank, rear axle, and then need to start thinking the body rotator, so we can weld this rear differential front mount and cardan mounts, and then we need to spray with stone protection, and we can start assemble new parts. So stay on channel. I hope you did enjoy this video. There is coming a lot content, so subscribe, like, share, comment what you think, and see you in the next video. Bye!